Hey, the captain here from Patriot Survival Solutions in Boca Raton, Florida. Just wanted to give everybody an update. Patriot Survival Solutions tactical teams are still in North Carolina in the Burnsville area. Another tactical team deployed to Pensacola, Florida. I'm mobilizing for Palm Beach and Broward counties and moving further north here in Florida. If you would like to follow, we have a Facebook page. I'll post that a little bit later on my Facebook page. Follow me at Ralph Avalone on Facebook, on Instagram at Patriot Survival Solutions. The Facebook page for the Hurricane Milton relief and recovery has been established. We will be posting moment by moment what's needed there. It's open to the public. Anybody can post their needs once Milton hits. If you need immediate rescue and recovery, post it on there. Our teams will get it off there, and we'll see what we can do to help as many people out as possible. I'd like to thank all of you for all of your texts and your private messages and your comments to our Facebook page and our YouTube channel in regards to what our efforts, the fruits that our efforts have borne in North Carolina. The biggest problem we face right now is that when the media and politicians now leave the North Carolina area from Hurricane Helene and they come here to cover Milton, the people in North Carolina and Burnsville area specifically are going to be forgotten. I've seen it in Katrina, Superstorm Sandy, Hurricane Andrew, way back in Hurricane Andrew. We can't let those people die. They are in a precarious situation. 105,000 people won't have power by the power grid for the next year and a half. Roads won't be rebuilt to these areas for any time in the foreseeable future. These people are refusing to leave their homesteads. They're afraid of federal government and FEMA seizure of their properties because of the lithium deposits that are in this area, in the Burnsville area. I don't blame them. That means that daily we need to get them food, water, blankets. The temperatures are lowering. We've got to provide for these people. Please go to our GoFundMe page. You can scroll my Ralph Avalone Facebook page and you can see that GoFundMe site. We're literally burning through thousands of dollars a day just in fuel and relief supplies that people aren't donating. So please copy and paste that link, send it to all your friends, family. I don't care if you give 25 cents, $1, $10, $100, $100,000. Please give today. Your continued contributions give us the ability to continue to help Americans that are suffering right now where our government isn't helping you. Captain out. I'm prepping and mobilizing here for South Florida and Central Florida. Please pass the word. Thanks. Captain out.